This video documents our first time diving the east coast of Bonaire. We went with a company called East Coast Diving, and as you will see, they did not disappoint. This clip shows how abundant and beautiful the soft corals are on the east coast. Watch as the sea fans sway in the currents. What you are seeing now is a turtle cleaning station. When we first arrived, there were upwards of 20 turtles, all enjoying a spa day. Next up are a few close swim-bys by several different turtles. Most of the turtles on the east coast are larger than the ones we typically encounter on the west coast. When you do encounter a smaller turtle, they typically have a brighter green shell like this one. Next are two turtles that swam right between Jamie and I, giving us nice video and still shots. The turtles share the reef with other sea creatures, like this green moray. It is a bit comical how this turtle tucks her head under a rock to keep from being pushed around by the currents. Most of the turtles we encountered did not seem bothered by our presence, and just continued with their daily routines. You can see Aaron waves goodbye to the turtle, and Sherry gives an enthusiastic fist pump. These two ladies get into a short argument over who has the rights to this resting spot. You can see the owner open her beak as if she's yelling at the other turtle. It was nice to see this large parrotfish sharing the reef with all of the turtles. The soft corals living on the east coast are like nothing we have ever encountered. If you ever make it to Bonaire, a dive excursion with East Coast Diving is a must. If you have enjoyed this video, consider liking, sharing, commenting, or subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.